say 29.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we're back with another YouTube video. So for us to sit down in our title, this was Tara's idea. What name? Water splash
challenge.
Water splash. So
It's
we
a
have
water
a pan
challenge.
of water.
Yeah.
Show them a pan of water.
Yeah.
We have a pan of water, so them are gonna ask one question. Some question out of our head. We don't really write down nothing. And if you don't know it, you get a splash. Hey, I'm calling them, I don't know how I'm gonna manage this. So watch the full video, like,
Comment.
share, subscribe, turn on the bell. So as we drop a new video, boom, we get so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who go first.
Come.
What do you do again? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come no man!
No, I thought we do it first. You win a challenge, Alia, come.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What do we now? Come, Alia.
Come.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey, Alia.
So-
You first. Yeah, Alia first.
Alia first, then me, then Tara. Go on with your first question.
Alright.
Cause you don't have nothing.
When is my best friend's birthday?
So, November.
June.
August.
No, it's a June or July. June or July.
July what?
Me now don't know when
But you
my
get it wrong.
You get it wrong. I want to say first.
June.
You said June. You get it wrong.
Check, I have to cut the phone.
Cause I question them. You know? So go on, Ali. I mean, the mother leave me hard, you know, coming at the I'm ear with up, you know, cause it a go
So
scratch.
the 2 bags to take then. You want more bag?
Ali, the mother with the phone.
Flashing bubble.
Hey, Auntie! I'm not boy your best, so no, for no boy your best.
And then me I say,
Now no can answer every question. So my
go on,
question number
Sharika.
one.
Go on.
Oh God. Me I give this a one here nice and easy. What is my favorite color?
Yellow.
Pink.
If you know my favorite color, man. Come, turn around. Turn around, mine running up. Don't come out of
You can't come out of the video, Alia.
Turn around, Alia. I know what.
Take your lick now.
In a bus, in a bus. Come to mother. Yeah, video. Tara, no.
My first question is my first question is which year was our late grandmother's birthday? Which year will late grandmother born?
Tara, if you know that.
1932.
Okay.
Alia, you get it?
Yeah. What do you mean by if you know your grandmother? Excuse me.
February 15, 1932.
Excuse.
Telephone.
Excuse. Watch buzz. Come
Tara, wait now.
Don't spin them if you don't know, because you don't have no mercy for nobody, you know. Don't spin in my water. You know what? Why the fuck them numbers?
You know, tie stick.
An angel tie that so.
Yeah, are you make your bag then now bust that tire?
No, angel tie like that.
Because you know want lick your sister at, you feel lick him at. When you lick him at now we bust.
Leave it.
You get views just from my comment son? Yeah, I mean own a girl and we call them sweet. Yo, I'm going to tell you.
Say God, sing one song.
Sing one song.
Yo, anything,
Nobody
anything
wants
now.
song.
So you know, so watch you now, no? That one I name, girl I get him lie. And then I lie, chichi man for die. And then I lie, yo, funny man for die. And then I lie, come in, God no, come tell the world why and I get him lie. And then I lie, 60 man for die. Cha. And then I like, oh, funny man for die.
Hey.
And then I like,
Hey.
I mean, God no come
Hey.
tell the world why.
Hey.
Y'all think me shy. Give me a blight.
Why?
Long time I love her, I'm not telling the lie.
Why?
In a dive and some me make the girl cry. Y'all them a come in seaside. Pretty me sit down with the young girl cry. And the girl
Alright,
can
shut
see
up.
us.
Alright.
Back to a video now.
Up and up.
Up. Ali,
Yeah.
a question. Give me my phone. Your phone.
I'm like that.
Alright.
Say God no.
Yeah.
We can't listen, nobody know what yet.
What's my favorite R&B song?
I want Nelly and Kelly. Nelly and Kelly.
I didn't know.
You have to answer.
Nelly and Kelly.
But Nelly and Kelly do a
Have you answer?
Yeah, Nelly and Kelly do a whole for song. Which song?
Yeah. Have you answer?
You wanna say? They say you should be.
Well, Sherry can't even get a splash. Come, Alia. Come. Splash him. Splash him.
One.
I bet say nothing now must for him.
I just bash it in his back.
Shy boss the first moment and then I just lick him.
God forgive
Yeah,
me.
that is a splash.
I met him if you just bash it in his back.
Yeah. That is
Yeah,
a
she's wet
It's a
now.
wet.
All right, Shatta. All right.
God.
Your question, Josie.
Give me a phone.
Can you splash somebody? Shatta, move now.
Who have a
We're done
phone?
with you now.
You gotta tear up sheet. I want to
So my question now.
No, I'm gonna.
Who do I look up to?
Your mother.
Who do I look up to?
Jesus.
Cool.
I'm gonna look up to people. I'm gonna look up to a soul. Period. I'm gonna look up to
Then
nobody.
if you don't have if you don't have an answer for your question, you don't ask it.
Then,
Bossy.
me not, of course it can't
Bossy,
ask. Me not
mama.
look up to nobody. And you should have said nobody because you there look at
Yeah,
her
lick
and
him,
them think
mama.
I tell you that.
Lick him, mama.
Sure, can I break me back? Don't break me back.
Just bash it in his back.
No, no.
Sure, don't break me back.
Sorry,
You know?
don't play with me. You know.
Don't break me back.
Come, turn around.
You feel like that, I go sting. Come.
Lick him, mama.
Move your hand not
No,
high.
man, I can't let me in my naked back, so.
Oh.
Watch, I nearly miss you now.
Give me the
That's
phone.
a little part of tire like it.
Go this side now.
Get your China.
Run gets tired.
I like that.
Watch out.
In wine, a video do.
I don't know all of the face I love me now. I love all of you.
Tara question now. Tara question. The man here come and disturb
Some
me,
girl
please.
I go get splash. In what year did Jamaica gain independence?
1962.
Oh God.
1962.
True Sharika answer.
Ali,
come.
I feel it.
You look for me. Me know say a true Sharika answer. Come. Come right in front of the camera. Come.
They unfair though. Them so. Hey, me like that. Me like it like that. Me like it like that.
Watch out.
My question.
I know say at me. Come.
No, mama, I'm feeling the love.
Actually, yeah.
Money.
No, now you have to come on night.
Shut up.
Alright.
Careless now, man.
What's my
What type of question them twist up your tongue, you know?
alright.
Am I money?
What's my first love full name?
Ricardo.
Ricardo Butler.
Yeah.
Bye.
All I name time.
Hey, Ricardo Butler, me don't know him
Ricardo
name. I
O'Shea
can't.
Butler.
I can't
And you
splash
can't
me.
cox people, boy, you man.
I be a man. I'm best friend.
No.
Shut I get by my nerves. No, we answer.
Hey, boy, I see you.
But your answer after
can't
Tara
lie
answer, so
here.
if you get splash.
But me say O'Shea
Don't get
Tara
jealous of
name
my
like
family.
O'Shea.
So how you know?
And everything people have to
Don't worry.
But if Sharika no know, me could know. So Sharika have to know.
Anyways.
What do I so if you ask what do I always want to become when I was growing up?
A millionaire.
Or a girl with big dreams.
A pediatrician.
Well, you never tell me that from the day me know
We only know
myself.
say that big
Give me 2 splash.
No, Sherika, me don't like your question. Them.
Oh, me like fear them through my brights.
Just
I'm not your bright move.
Can't tire up some. Hey, ready
Very
to
good, Sherika.
Ready to get started. Come turn around.
Sherika, it's just water.
It's just water.
Don't use your hand adjust the bag to catch me.
It's just water. It's just water.
Baptized in the name of Jesus.
It's just water. Come in, I can.
It's just water. It's just water.
Move your hand.
Water.
Jesus Christ, I like it. I like it, so you just don't.
I'm on some question for one paper. I'm going to lift them ship right now.
Hey, me don't let me go.
Sherika, quick.
Shut up.
Shut up, girl.
So Tara, question now.
Who is the first Prime Minister of Jamaica? The first one where you ever know in your
Sir
life.
Alexander Bustamante.
Bruce Goldie.
Easter come. Some girl get bun.
Spicy top.
Let's try spicy. Bruce calling again.
How do you say it?
One prime minister.
Me not even.
One prime minister name.
Sorry, don't let me twat it a mate, because you know, so me have migraine.
It's
Start
just
come.
water.
It's just water. It's just water and water and water.
Come, Alia, I'll focus Alia.
Alia.
Alright.
So more back.
What's my favorite color?
Your favorite color?
Pink.
What's your favorite color? Red. Red.
You should
Ready,
have
Isha?
known that, Tara.
Hey, it's just water.
I must say, me not stamp you a while ago, you know. Me never stamp you. No! You turn back and see you think that's something.
It's just water.
It's just water. Come, Sherika.
Come out, me.
Come, because I'm really getting cold. I'm cold.
Oh, how much year me and my baby father talk and which month we start talk?
You guys be talking 4 years and
4 years and what?
nothing up here. Make it tell them to call them. What is
4 years and? Which
4
month?
years and
Which
what?
month?
June?
Yeah. Your turn.
You guys be talking. You guys start talking in April. That's the time when you get really serious in April. When I start talk 2018, so was it 2018 or 2017? I think it's 2018, so 18, 19. I think it's like 3 years.
Tara gets you.
Oh!
just one.
What?
Just stop it.
Me no want to do it. No, just run go up there so with the
Tell them I do something.
Sherika ID, you know. Okay. I think it's my time for questions. Alright, I'm going to one word for spell. One word for spell. And anybody can spell it, I get splash.
to go spell.
You better
Me
spell.
pretend done.
Tara, sit down, be a
But you don't stop.
Me pretend done
Spell photosynthesis.
If you go spell photo and then sin and then test it.
Anyway, you want to spell it, and then sin and then
Hey,
sin.
you know I share myself right so you know.
So you know what? Don't splash me.
You can't spell it?
P
Sherika, spell it to the camera
H.
and the people. Them.
O-N-E.
Give me one water. Give me one water. Give me one
P
first.
H
Your
O
outer-
T O
P-H-O-T-O.
S
Go on.
I.
Alright, give me one next water.
Check it. Photosynthesis.
P-H-O-T-O-S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-I-S.
Tara, your phone.
Come.
Alias.
Photosynthesis.
Me a spell photo and S-I-N
No,
and
me not Google that.
I know it's for, I know it done?
No, it wasn't that. I me when me there jump, me say me I go go no word to spell. Who first?
Tara.
You're dry.
Tara.
Why God?
Everybody wait now. Everybody equal. Go on. Go on. Ali, your question. Your question.
Oh, no fool, Alia, go on.
Ali, it's serious. Your question.
Give me a phone, let me check.
Alright. What's my father's full name?
Charlie Brown.
Carlton
Alexander.
Charlie Brown yourself. Give me this. I don't know how many Alexander to Brown.
You can't put it in my chest.
No, no, tell me what you put it.
Hey, come Sharika, you're unfair. You're being unfair.
You don't know when I feel time, you know.
Sharika, no, I want to catch you. Like, seriously?
Look
And
around.
my ears cock up.
Tara, no said you go back to poor. Them are doing that.
What's the favorite?
What's the favorite one?
What do I love most on my body? Whisper in my ears. Whisper.
Your face. Your face, I love.
But
Her teeth.
but
Me
me
know
teeth
say.
upon my body, me teeth in my body.
Your teeth upon your body, you there.
Me
And
love the teeth
Sharika,
them, like-
Sharika love her teeth them more than anything else.
I get the most compliment for my teeth them. Watch little and nice.
I'm cold.
More I fling that one here.
Nine butter.
You have a fling on my like this.
Turn around. How you want in your chest?
Put it, no, squeeze in on my chest or something.
I'm looking
Girl,
at your
it's a
forehead.
backfire,
No,
bro.
no, let me on my
It's a
forehead. Just
backfire.
squeeze in there so.
Aye, that's how you want him to fling.
Look out outside.
Bum
That's
look.
Sharika wicked.
Oh God, I lie.
Sharika that sting, that's why I'm squeeze you out pan uno is sting.
So Alia get injured. So sorry about that. Like,
She got
me never
injured.
know say oh, that's so hard. Me so sorry.
Oh, so it's
for
my
your
next
loss.
question.
What up, Sherry?
I know my paper now wet. That means me no wet.
Sherry can well.
Me no wanna wait.
Sherry can wait, you know?
Alright, this question. What is my boyfriend's middle name?
I'm not ask people about it no
Hey,
man.
you ask me when your man
You know say
start
me ever
talk.
ask you that same question.
You
there?
ask me about when your man start talking. I said, me ain't have to know what my man middle name. I'm tired to post that middle name there.
Shemario.
Samario is his middle name. Huh? That's my man's middle name. Ali, I feel nobody don't know that. You should know that.
That's a Mario Richards.
Richards! Come down, give me 2 bags.
You know, say Samario, me say, but me say
Indian
Samario.
Samario phenomenon.
Alright, so my boyfriend middle name is Monier.
And money here and last name.
And middle name, Monier is his middle name.
Money here.
Monier, yeah.
So you spell it M-O-N-E-Y.
Monier. You go spell money and then you put ER on it.
Monier.
Yeah, Monier.
Come. How much question you have left?
Me can't stop anytime. The water,
Me
can't ask.
Oh, see that? Me have frozen and I like it.
Tara, I'm sending you back some more back.
Come.
I will fool them.
First one. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you good.
Yes, Tara. What
You not have to do it like that, you know, Tara. You know,
Have
say me
you
not
not
want
want
me
it
ear
like
to
that?
scratch you.
Spray,
Alright, let's
spray.
spray up in your face.
in our head, little.
Why you not dry? It's water challenge and me alone with you not for wet too. Go on earlier with your question. I just little water.
It's just water.
It's just water. When me get fat ball, it's just little water. Ask your question, Aliyah.
I bush relief, as you can see.
What year my
But bush girl are the artist set again. Yeah?
what year my mother born? What year?
Wait, me I go tell you.
You look like your light gets splashed.
1970.
Poop, poop.
Me not check for people.
Yeah, video. Come share it with you, cause you come out for revenge now. Revenge.
What's my baby's father's middle name?
Baby's father's, it's baby father's middle name.
Baby father, whatever it is.
Why? I forgot just what we
One, come give me two.
Me know say name Gowie and Benjamin. Me no know nothing.
I cool I make a name.
A cool line make a name? A lie.
A joke.
A cool line pet name. Yuck.
How sure can you cram me? Yeah, cram my light is.
You look think I did clean water. Me know say me wet now clear. You have how much water left?
It's just water.
Can never.
But tell me, set me go buy some more.
You know why you go for yard for 2 while look a bucket of water can come. Go on.
3 buckets.
Anyways.
Hey, my phone I wet up and
Dobby,
it stand
go on and come follow him.
4 buckets.
You look a Guinness bucket.
Three.
When you don't make Auntie Flores who call me, I tell me I'll kill for you water.
Anyways.
A country
we not fi be that.
we not have pipe.
So like the video,
Comment.
share, tell a friend,
Tell a friend.
tell a next friend.
And Nikki that tell a friend.
Big up Nikki and Klein. We love you now.
No. Sherka, why you there?
Just lend me a phone let me find any question. Because I'm not even can find place to wipe off my hands them.
Me know say no go get this, so me wait till the water come. What is the name of our Prime Minister wife?
Sharon Flawless.
My Prime Minister not name Flawless, so oh.
Julian Oldness.
Oh, God.
Goody!
So we are gonna do with the bucket and the water.
Take up your splash you up. Juliet Oldness. You see, keep that in your head if you know your Prime Minister. People them.
If I bugu nose.
Let me see.
I feel your nose, you look up in a sugar.
Na bugu nene.
A red dirt.
Yeah, bugu have I like this.
Come, move your hand. Come on, Sharon. What are you?
Tara, wait.
Alia, go on. It's just water. Ooh,
It's just water. It's just water.
Come. And we have 3 last buckets, so we have a 3 last question, so we just turn you on.
Yes.
Is that fair
Yes,
enough?
yes. 3 last question.
So Alia, come with the question good.
That's true.
Go on.
But suppose we have to throw half and half. You know?
When is Daddy's birthday?
What year?
Oh,
Daddy birthday.
March 27.
a March, me know nothing
Come
else.
on.
Me don't know.
Guess
How
now.
Yes. March, me know same band.
Give me a bucket.
Wait, let me get one date. How much the earlier post? Me did that on a sash. Me I tell you.
Me know.
Shut up.
If I know it 26 or 27.
28.
I'm Mr. 29.
Alright.
Yo, the question when me I go no, got it. Help me, you know. Yo, got help me.
No, some more bucket.
Yo, got help me, you know. Got help me, you know. Sure, ask the question, yeah, but got help me, you know.
Anyway,
What is my dream job?
to be an accountant.
To be a pediatrician.
To be a big Tara, not tell me
You just tell us
become
that.
a nail taker.
Oh yes.
And you know that.
But you just say
You
so.
know that.
No, make him throw something like that. Fill me bucket not full. Come.
Alright, man. Me want to do it like Alia first. You know.
Yo, that one I feel warm.
Me that one I want.
Who goody them foot?
You're gonna bucket my lighties.
Come on.
Bucket of my lighties.
No wonder you want me to be enough telling.
But the paper was right.
Me, I find the next question from the door now watch.
Oh God, let me get it. Have mercy, Pamela. My ears start catch me already.
I know it I go crutch you.
Yeah, wake up my lights.
It is yucky.
What?
So this is our last question.
Who is the first president of the United States?
I'm to know that.
Brother Macap.
Yeah man, brother what? Give me your bucket.
Queen Elizabeth.
Obama. Come. Yeah man, Obama.
Queen Elizabeth. We answered it. Queen Elizabeth.
Come. Come now, Sharika, Queen Elizabeth.
Abraham Lincoln.
You don't answer one.
Just say don't be said that. Just say don't be said that. Come.
Me don't know how to get them a question there from.
Yeah, that's equally fair.
It's just water. It's just water. It's just
I love that style of name.
Put it on the. Put it on the. Put it on the. Put it on. Anyways,
This is the end of the video, guys.
I will not gonna love it. Cause it's a banger.
It's a
banger.
there you go. Curve it.
No, come, Sharika. Curve it.
No.
Oh, come.
Bitch. Curve it.
When you walk like that, when you talk like that, when you walk like that.
Anyways,
This is the end of the video.
video. Look how we look.
Show them the floor. Mock you in a red dirt.
Our country will live anyways.
So this is the end of the video.
Please
Remember to like,
comment,
share,
And subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend.
tell your man,
Oh God, just
tell your next man, tell your next man.
I'm to tell the next man friend. Anyways.